Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to turn on confirm before closing multiple tabs in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you are using the Mozilla Firefox, you will try to open the multiple tabs because you are working on so many different things. Okay, so what happens is like sometimes you are working on some of the important project. Okay, suppose if you are working on some of the website and if you are searching something on some of the website, so what you will do is like if you just finish the work on this particular website means you will try to close that particular tab. Okay, so what happens is that sometimes instead of closing that particular tab you will just click on this particular option, close. Okay, so because you will be confused like whether you want to click on this or you want to click on this. Okay, so for that, in order to avoid closing the all the tabs or the completely or instead of closing the entire Mozilla Firefox, you can just turn on the important settings. Okay, so for that what you can do is like you can just go to the Mozilla Firefox. On the top right hand side here you can see the three lines. Click on that particular three lines and here you can go to the settings. Once you go to the settings, so here on the tabs here you can see the option called confirm before closing the multiple tabs. Okay, suppose if you just tick mark this particular option and whenever you try to close the Mozilla Firefox, it will show the notification close 5 tabs, confirm before closing multiple tabs. Okay, so now if you just click on this, the entire Mozilla Firefox will be closed. Okay, this is the advantage whenever you just turn on this particular option, confirm before closing multiple tabs, because it will avoid you to completely close the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so this is how you can just turn on the Mozilla Firefox important setting, that is confirm before closing multiple tabs in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.